Now, that was really an incredible story. Thanks for reading it with me. It was giving me a bit of an idea. Now, I was really struggling to learn some of those dances, but I've got with me back here a few different kinds of instruments in this bag here. And I wonder if we can pull these instruments out, play them, and see how they make our bodies want to move. You can move your body in one of the ways that we did on our African safari, like one of the animals, or you can wiggle, hop up and down, and move around in any way you please. All right, let's see what we've got in that bag. Let's see here. What kind of instrument do you think this might be? Can you see what this instrument looks like? Oh, I think you're right. I think this is a drum. Let's give ourselves a bit of drumming and see how it makes us want to move our bodies. Are you guys ready? All right, let's get hopping around. Did you wiggle your body around to that very loud drum? Let's see what other kind of instruments we have inside of our bag here. Oh, wow. Now this one's really interesting. Have you ever seen this instrument before? It's called a xylophone. Although the sound starts with a Z that reminds us of the letter Z, it's actually spelt with an X. Let's see how this xylophone makes us want to move our bodies. Here we go. Wiggle in any way you want. Wow, all these different areas have different sounds. Did you wiggle your body to that instrument? Wow, I might not be the best player of this instrument, but I'm certainly having a lot of fun. Let's see what else we've got in that bag. All right, we've got ourselves a drum, we've got ourselves a xylophone. Oh, I love one of these. A tambourine. Did you move your body to that? What am I doing with my body? Friends, I'm dancing! Wow! I'm really dancing! There's no way I would have been able to have done that without your encouragement. Thank you so much for being such wonderful friends. All right, let's see what else we've got in this bag. I'm excited now. Oh, let's see here. Oh, this is a strange one. Very strange instrument. I'm not even sure what it's called. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, here's a good one for our slithering snake. Wow, does that make you move your body in a silly way? Excellent, let's try again. Wow, what a silly sound. Let's see what else we've got in here. All right, one of my favourites. And our final instrument of the day. This reminds me. Oh, of somebody's sleigh. How does this make you want to move? Wow, it's going faster and faster. I can't even keep up. Let's start nice and slow. Now let's go a little bit faster. And even faster! Wow! Wow, excellent job. How about you take yourself a very big bow? Excellent job. Wow, friends, we played with some incredible instruments today, and I'm so excited. There's just one more thing I want to show you. It's a take-home sheet for you to look at when you're at home. All you have to do is print it off, and you can colour it any colours you want. It's got a picture of our friend Gerald the giraffe, or giraffe, however you want to say it. Look at that. Now on here we've got a picture of Gerald the giraffe doing his backwards somersault in the air. And we've got some questions about where we went today, who we met, what we did on our exciting adventure at Tiny Tales with Virginia Repertory Theatre. All right, now it's time for Zoe, the zoologist, to say goodbye and to bring Miss Irene back. So I need your help. We're going to count to 5 very slowly all together, and Miss Irene will be back. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hi guys, I made it all the way back. How was your time with Zoe the zoologist? Excellent. I hope you had a fantastic time. Friends, I just want to remind you how important it is to be kind to ourselves, not only when we're learning something new, but every day. And also to be those kind friends when someone that you know is struggling with something. Keep saying those kind words and showing that kind heart. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe, stay well, stay tuned. Bye.